What's up, guys? So today is a different video. It's not game related, but it is kind of health related. Um, as a gamer, and in today's century, we live in a place with a lot of stimulation, and I think a lot of people, a lot of gamers, especially because they're staring at the white light or they're up playing video games. It's very hard to get a regulated sleep schedule. So one of my friends was saying to invest in a white noise machine. And I said to myself, you know what? That's probably a really good idea. And I did a little research on some white noise machines. And a good thing I did, because this one that I'm about to open right here was was $100, but it's actually white noise. It's not like a looping, repeating sound with a loop and cheap speakers. It's actually a built-in fan. So I'm just gonna do a little unboxing here, and see if I can turn it on. So this is a different kind of video. I wanted to do this as well. It's called Snooz. Let me see if I can. You know what? I'm just gonna. Let's see. So this is the paper here. It's pretty. This is what it looks like out of the box. It's not too big. And it also has. This is all it comes with. And it looks like this. It's kind of small. Got a little mesh here, but there's actually a little fan underneath. So yeah, and it also comes with you can connect it to your phone. There's an app for it. Here's the thing here. Great Sleep Awaits. So let's see if I can turn on the sound. Yeah, and I was about to get the cheaper ones, but I realized that it was just loops, recorded loops with like a cheap set of speakers, and this one doesn't have any loops. This one is just a fan, a mini fan that is really designed for its purpose, to help you fall asleep. The other ones have preset sounds of nature and which is great if it's your thing, but I'm really looking for a product that will help me to get some sleep every now and then. So let me plug it in. Yeah, hold up here. Let's try and get this. See how it sounds. Okay. Whoops. Now let's see if we can turn it on. Yeah. Can you hear that? That's exactly what I was looking for. And what you can do is they said that you could twist something. It goes higher. Wow. That is really neat. It said you could twist it. See, it goes really low. Look at that. That's really nice. So guys, I will leave the link if you want the same one. I got it on Amazon. And I just thought I would make a video about this because I sometimes do reviews like I did on this microphone here and now this. So thanks guys for watching. Until next time, I'll catch y'all later.